Hi everyone, I am back with another video. Woo! I hope you subscribe this because this is a new video. The last video I deleted, so I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna use my blitz from this camera. Okay, let's start with my first model. This is the same model, it's just nothing. So I just bought this new rack, I told you. Now let's start with the British Airways A380. I don't know what kind of A380, 800 maybe. And next, move along here, the Boeing 737-800 without the split Garuda Indonesian. Yes, without landing gears. The landing gear is not gone, but it's like this. Now, yeah. Next long, whoopsie, sorry. The Boeing 777 in the Boeing livery. When you see it close, you can see it's pretty cool. And next along at the number 8 floor, you got the AirAsia Boeing 737-400. Nice. Next, Sriwijaya A320 is supposed to be A380, but engine. This is my homemade DC-3, I guess. I don't know, it's kind of DC-3, so I just call it DC-3. Next, come along, always Sriwijaya A320 again. It's just missed that. The wheel. Next, come along. This is a pretty beaten up plane. This is my first ever plane. Citylink. It's supposed to be I don't want to call it. Look, the phone is actually very beaten up. Next, we got a Fokker. I guess what the Fokker is this? This is my most favorite plane. It got 4 engine with the wheel, and then there's some light. Here it is, lights there, and then it's pretty tall. Look at this, pretty tall. And that is my sorry about the noise. That is all my model planes. After I move to, I think, Netherlands or Dutch, I am not gonna collect these planes, but I gonna collect in the bottom here Gemini jets. Yeah, that's very cool. Gemini jets or Gemini 200. Gemini 200 gonna be maybe from there to there, maybe. So we see you next time at another show, maybe. In my YouTube account there is a lot of film that you can